The F-35 Lightning II fighter jet is often referred to as the most advanced fighter jet ever built and is a source of pride for the United States. However, like any aircraft, the F-35 also has its shortcomings and challenges. In this video, we will discuss some of the main disadvantages of the F-35 that need to be known. Before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so that we are more motivated. One frequently discussed drawback is the cost issue. The F-35 is one of the most expensive fighter jet development programs in the history of the United States. The high development and production costs have affected the country's military budget. This has resulted in delays in delivering the aircraft to American allies and limitations on the number of aircraft that can be purchased. Additionally, the maintenance and upkeep costs of the F-35 are also very high, requiring a significant budget to keep the F-35 fleet operational. In addition to cost issues, the F-35 also faces challenges in terms of performance and reliability. There are reports of technical issues with this aircraft, such as complex avionics systems that are vulnerable to cyber threats. Some aircraft have also experienced problems with weapon launches and flying capabilities simultaneously. This indicates weaknesses in testing and validation before the aircraft is declared ready for use. Furthermore, the F-35 also has limitations in terms of range and weapon payload. Although it has aerial refueling capabilities, the F-35's range is limited compared to some other fighter jets. This restricts the aircraft's ability to carry out long-range missions without frequent refueling. Additionally, the weapon payload capacity of the F-35 is also limited compared to some other fighter jets. Despite being equipped with internal weapon bays, the F-35 must sacrifice some of its range to carry more weapons. In addition to technical shortcomings, the F-35 also faces challenges in terms of integration with older systems. This aircraft uses highly advanced and complex technologies that may not be compatible with older systems used by the U.S. Air Force and allied countries. The complex integration process and the time required to overcome these challenges can cause delays in the operation and use of this aircraft. Although the F-35 has its shortcomings and challenges that need to be addressed, it is important to recognize that it is an extremely advanced and impressive fighter jet. The F-35 offers state-of-the-art technology in terms of sensors, mapping, and air-to-air and air-to-ground attack capabilities. The aircraft has supersonic capabilities, stealth capabilities, and superior integration with air defense networks. In several cases, the F-35 has proven its superiority in various military exercises and real-world operations. To address the existing shortcomings, the United States and international partners continue to develop and improve the F-35. Update and upgrade programs are ongoing to address identified issues and improve the performance and reliability of the aircraft. Furthermore, collaboration between manufacturers, contractors, and the Air Force continues to address cost issues and ensure timely production and delivery of the aircraft. In conclusion, although the F-35 Lightning II is the most advanced fighter jet and a source of pride for the United States, it is not without its shortcomings and challenges. High costs, technical issues, range and weapon payload limitations, and integration with older systems are some of the problems that need to be addressed. However, continuous improvements are being made to address these weaknesses and enhance the performance and reliability of the F-35. With good cooperation between manufacturers, contractors, and the Air Force, the F-35 will continue to be an effective and reliable fighter aircraft in maintaining the security and strength of the United States and its allies. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on interesting information in the future.